Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So this is a follow-up to the baby haul that I just did in December. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked somewhere up above as a card. But this is another baby shopping haul. So if you have a little one that you're looking for ideas or deals on baby clothing, keep on watching. Or even if you want to buy as a gift. So I recently discovered PatPat. Never heard of this store before. I think they're located in Hong Kong. You can check out their website, or I'll put the website below for you if you're interested. It also has it right here. But I just love this store. And when you go to their website, they do always have a section where it's like flash deals or sales that are going to be coming soon or sales that are going to be ending soon. And you could also change the website into whatever country you're in and what your currency is, so that the prices you see are going to be based on what your currency is. So I'm going to be talking in Canadian dollars today. But I found some really great deals. And first off, I just want to say, look at these gorgeous bags. Everything is shipped in. Every individual item I bought is in its own bag. And it's really great quality bag. I don't even want to throw these out. They're such great quality. So each individual item was in its own bag. So I'm going to go one by one. I'll tell you how much I paid for the item. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so before we actually start, I just want to clarify this is for a baby girl, just in case you're wondering the gender. And here's the first item. So this was $3.99. Now, these retail in Canada for much more. You can go to a place like Carter's and get cute little headbands and things like that retail anywhere from $6 and up. And what I liked about it was this silver leafing around it, and then these really cute, beautiful roses. So it's just a headband that goes around, and I thought this would be really cute for photos. So that was the first item that I picked up, and it was $3.99. All right, here's item number 2. Look at how absolutely beautiful, first off, this pattern is. Absolutely gorgeous floral. It's really nice cotton, so it's not too heavy. I did go up a size because I wanted this more for the spring, summer. I absolutely love the ankle cuffs on these. Super cute. And then here's the cuff for the hand. I'll show you the entire thing in a moment. This is what the tags look like. So it says PatPat. And these are what the tags look like. And this is a 9 to 12 month. It's a zipper up. I have no idea what material 90% means. So that's kind of funny. But it's a very nice light material. I'm going to show you what it looks like opened up. All right, I just opened it up. Here it is. So as you can see, it zippers. It's like a sleeper, if you will. It's very similar to a sleeper, except the feet are open, which I really, really like. And I just fell in love with this pattern. I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. And it was only $10.99. So I thought that was a great deal. I always like to compare to other Canadian type stores like Carter's, Children's Place, Old Navy, stuff like that. And I like that the material is very stretchy. I don't like material that feels like there's no stretch to it and then you have to fight to get your kid into it. So that's what I really liked about this material. And just like I said, that floral pattern is just to die for. All right, guys, here's item number 3. I absolutely fell in love with this. I just thought it was so adorable. The bunny ears. And by the way, everything that I'm showing you today, I got it 50, if not more % off what the original price was. So like I said, they always have really great deals. So this is a long sleeve. It is size 12 to 18 months. Adorable bunny ears. I love the little heart for the bunny nose. And then it has this adorable skirt, and it's almost like it's like a dusty rose pink. Super cute. And this I paid $13.99 for it. An item like this at the Gap or at Old Navy would easily go for $30+. Super cute. And then if we turn it around, it has the crisscross backing and it's attached. So if you're wondering, the skirt and the top are attached. So very easily you could put this on top of your child, and yeah, just very easily slips right over their head. You know, if you're a parent, we like things that are easy, anything that's not difficult. So I just thought that would be such an adorable fall outfit, summer outfit. Yeah, so that's number, what, are we at number 3 now? Number 3. All right, here's item number 4, again following that really, really beautiful floral print, very summery, and as you can tell by the sizes, I did get everything that was going to be around summertime, so this is 9 to 12 months. That will take her right into the summer. Love this floral print. I think it's so beautiful. These are the pants, and again, it's that super nice, light, stretchy material, which I just love. I love that so much. So these are the pants. Super cute. And then along with the pants, we have this really cute bow. So you can put this around your child's head and tie it into a bow. And then here is the top. Isn't she lovely? So white top with the floral arms. So how adorable is that duo? And this cost me $9.99 for this outfit. $10 for this outfit. Super good deal. And here's the final item that I purchased. This is my, probably, I want to say the favorite, but everything's my favorite because I just love it all. But I'm just so happy with this price. This cost me only $12.99. First off, I want to show you the material. Look at how nice and thick this material is, which is perfect for the fall. I love the outside pink and the inside gray, and this is a jacket. Now wait for it. Look at these adorable little like pom-pom type buttons. Okay. And the most adorable part is this hood. It has bunny ears on it. So it has a little pom-pom here at the top. And then these adorable bunny ears. How cute is that? Look at this. This is adorable. And the size that I got is 12 to 18 months. So perfect for the fall. All right, I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. All right, guys. So here it is, all opened up. Look at how adorable this is. I'm so in love with this jacket. Well, if we round up, $13 for this jacket. You would never have gotten anything like that at Carter's or Old Navy or even Children's Place, even The Gap, whatever other kid stores out there. What an amazing deal, in my opinion. And I don't remember what the full retail price was for it. Oh, and it's so stretchy and it feels just so warm and oh, I love it. Yeah, I'm going to say this is my favorite purchase of all of the items. I'm just looking here to see how they do these buttons. So if you take a look, they do it so, I see how they did it. Okay, so they do it so the pom-pom isn't what actually comes off. So the pom-pom stays there and you slip this over through here and then unhook the pom-pom. All right, I see what's going on here. Anyways, so what that means essentially is if you don't like the pom-pom, you can take them off. You don't have to keep them on. So they didn't actually sew the pom-pom onto the product. You can actually just take them off like that if you don't like them or if you want to have a different style. So one day you can take them off and one day you can put them on. I mean, I actually think that that's very creative because most jackets would come with this sewn on. So that's a very creative option. As long as your kids don't pull them off, of course. So anyways, that was item number 5. All right, guys, so that was my PatPat haul. It was a small haul, 5 items, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And maybe, you didn't know about PatPat and you've now discovered a new store that you can check out. Again, I'll leave the link below because if you type in PatPat, who knows what's going to come up. I want to make sure that you have the right store. And yeah, check it out. And don't forget to change it to your country and currency so that you can see prices for, based on the country that you live in. So again, hope you enjoyed that haul. If you guys like these types of hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know and I'll keep sharing, what little baby items I get. And I do have a new baby playlist that I'll also create for other items down the road. All right, thanks so much for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.